Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered if there's more to a bot than just a simple airdrop? What if I told you there's a Telegram bot that not only gives you an airdrop, but also lets you earn real money through a few simple tasks? If you're intrigued, stick around because today I'm going to show you how to maximize your earnings with the Rocky Rabbit bot, a new contender that's more than just a clone of the popular Hamster bot. Now, you might be thinking, why bother with another bot when Hamster is already so popular? Well, Rocky Rabbit is taking things up a notch. While Hamster is great, this new bot offers additional features that let you earn more. Not just through the airdrop, but by leveraging the Ton cryptocurrency. So, let's get straight to it. First things first, the Rocky Rabbit bot operates on Telegram, and you'll find the link to join in the description below. Once you've joined, hit Start, and you'll be greeted with a user interface that might look familiar if you've used the Hamster bot before. But don't let that fool you. There are some key differences here. Right off the bat, you'll notice the options to earn hourly rewards, a feature similar to Hamster, but with a twist. Rocky Rabbit allows you to earn through TON directly, which is something Hamster doesn't offer. By inviting your friends, you will get 0.001 ton for each one you invite, so make sure to invite as many friends as possible. You'll also see sections for tasks, upgrades, and a unique feature called Turbo Mode. We'll get into that shortly. Now, to really start earning, you need to understand the mechanics. The first thing you should do is select your wallet. You have several options here: Binance, Bybit, Solana, and of course, Ton. I've personally chosen Ton because it integrates seamlessly with the bot. After setting up your wallet, head to the Earn section. This is where things get interesting. Rocky Rabbit offers a daily task system where you can complete simple activities like joining their Telegram channel or subscribing to their YouTube channel. Each task rewards you with in-game currency, which you can then use to buy cards that increase your hourly earnings. But here's the part that took me a bit to figure out. Each card has specific requirements you need to meet before you can purchase it. For instance, you might need to enter a tournament or complete a specific level. Once you meet these conditions, the card unlocks and your hourly income potential skyrockets. And remember that turbo mode I mentioned earlier? Activating it lets you boost your earnings for a limited time, multiplying your rewards. But use it wisely. You only get a few chances each day to activate turbo mode, so make sure you're ready to maximize its benefits. To wrap it up, the Rocky Rabbit bot offers more than just a basic airdrop. With the right strategy, you can earn real money through its unique features and tasks. So, if you're looking for a new way to capitalize on the Telegram bot trend, Rocky Rabbit might just be your next go-to. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.